Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the second question in exercise 4.2. Without expanding, find the values of. There are given two determinants. Let's take up the first one. So in this case, the row is 6x a x plus a, y b y plus b, z c and z plus c. So here I'm going to write the first column's transformation as column 1 plus column 2. So the new determinant will become x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. Here it will be a, b and c. Here it is another x plus a, y plus b and z plus c. So in the next transformation I can write column 1 is equal to column 1 minus column 3. So in this case it will become 0, 0, 0, a, b, c and x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. So the moment you see one column completely becomes 0, the value of this particular determinant is 0. Now in this case, I'm going to write the particular transformation as row 1 is equal to row 1 plus 2 times of row 3. So the determinant will become a plus 2 times of row 3 in this case is 2x. So this will become a plus 2x, b plus 2y, c plus 2z. The second row is the same. So a plus 2x, b plus 2y, c plus 2z. The last row is x, y and z. The moment we reach this, you know where it is going. So R1 is equal to R1 minus R2. So the first row now will become 0, 0, 0, a plus 2x, b plus 2y and c plus 2z. The last is going to be x, y and z. So now all the elements in this particular row is 0. So the value of this particular determinant is 0. In the next video, we will find the solution for the third question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.